Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gale, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have the cardstock, the pattern paper, and embellishment add-ons. You can add 1, 2, or all 3 to make your kits go further or have even more fun. So first up, let's take a look at the cardstock. You can see how well Rochelle coordinates those to the collection. So you can have more options for your background pages. You can do some digital die cutting or manual die cutting, mat your photos, make some little albums with them. Lots of options. So starting with the Fancy Pants Wishmas, you're going to receive 1 sheet of amber and 2 sheets of cherry. For the photoplay paper, Not a Creature Was Stirring, you're going to get 1 robin's egg blue and 2 sheets of pomegranate. For the Pink Fresh Oh What Fun, you're going to get a sheet of Passionate, which is the pink, and then 2 sheets of Stonewash, which is kind of that periwinkle blue. And for Simple Stories, Simple Vintage North Pole, you're going to get a sheet of Ivy and 2 sheets of Aqua. So you'll have 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. For the pattern paper add-on, you're going to receive 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So these won't be duplicates. They're going to be 2 additional pattern papers. So starting with Wishmas from Fancy Pants, we have this one called Christmas Map. And this is a great page, even if you don't have photos. You could just journal and write about trips to wherever you go to celebrate Christmas. You could also include photos if you have those. This is just a really fun paper. The back is just a solid green. Then we have this one called Christmas Stars, which has all of the different colors of stars laid out, and then the pink and red stripe on the back. From Not a Creature Was Stirring from Photoplay paper, we have the 4x6 cut apart. So those adorable little woodland critters. You could put a little photo here. You could write journaling along with the number for the days until Christmas, season's greetings, joy, a little gingerbread house, and those cute little mice that are singing again. The back is candy canes with a little holly and little snowflakes in between. This one called Christmas Eve, which is the plaid in red and green. The back is a turquoise snowflake print. For Pink Fresh Oh What Fun, we have this one that has all of the frames. This is a really fun paper just by itself. You could add little journaling in different ones of the frames, add a couple of photos or not photos. You could fussy cut them apart to use as embellishments on other pages or for journaling blocks on other pages. The back is a blue holly print. Has the mistletoe, the holly, and the little evergreen boughs. This one is called Merry Everything. This one called Season of Joy is all of the different Christmas icons, the sweater, the stockings, the tree and the mittens, candy canes, poinsettias, all of those on the pink. And the back are all these little stamps, kind of like travel stamps that you see that say December Memories, Heart Filled with Joy, Merry and Bright. Just really cute paper. From the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage North Pole, we have this one, which has all of those layers over here, perfect as a background page, very little to do at all. The back is a green and white diagonal stripe. And this one, that one's called Dear Santa, if I didn't say that. The larger diagonal stripe, this one's called Twinkle and Shine. And then the back are the candy canes and snowflakes on that light blue. So one more look at all of the gorgeous patterned papers. The final add-on we're going to look at is our embellishment add-on. So you're going to receive more embellishments for each one of the 4 collections. For the photo play paper, Not a Creature Was Stirring, you're going to receive half a pack of the die cuts. So these will vary, but this is what I received in mine. I have some tags, some banners, some little gifts, these little word labels, those little mice, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. For Fancy Pants Wishmas, you're going to receive the package of tags and labels. So this is all of them that's in the package, but I thought I'd pull them out. So there's long skinny ones. You're also going to get some twine to put through the tags. Lots of beautiful images on here. Love that one. Open Me. Merry. Happy Holidays. Lots that are just the blank colors so that you can stamp or write in there or just use them for your layers. And then one that has the stripes, which these are always fun because you can do the journaling on these. For Oh What Fun from Pink Fresh, you're going to receive the chipboard stickers. So this is the package of those. Lots of fun icons and little word labels. There's 25 of those in that package. And then from Simple Stories, the Simple Vintage North Pole, you're going to get half a pack of the foam stickers. So I love these. I love this little vintage Santa. We've got titles, Ho Ho Ho, Joyful, and Merry and Bright, and then those stockings, and then some smaller pieces just to tuck in. So that's a look at the embellishment add-on. One more look at all three add-ons to go with your Flavors of the Month kit. Don't forget your Shots of Life also coordinates with the Flavors of the Month, so you can get more pattern paper and embellishments by adding that kit to your order. Be sure to check out all the other kits and available items in the store, and you can have those items all shipped together. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits. Merry Christmas!